Welcome back to Weyermann's Whimsy. We are going to make another card using the elements from the May 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit called Batter Up. I am using one of the card fronts and some of the elements from the kit to make this really cute card. What I'm adding to it is I'm using a basic gray card base, and I'm going to trim this down. I'm going to take 1 3/4 inches off this edge, and then this is actually 2 1/8, and I will attach it on. And this is 2 1/4 by 4 1/4, and I am going to run it through the Brick and Mortar 3D embossing folder. So why don't I start with that, and then we can cut some things down and build the card. It's really quite quick, and it's I like it. I like the to me, ball diamonds and baseball, I think urban, I think city, I think like big cities. So that's why I use the Brick and Mortar set, just to kind of give it that kind of vibe. So that's that in the folder. Now I just need to grab my paper trimmer, and I'm going to trim 1 3/4 inches off the edge of this card, just like that. So now we've got the flap there, and I'm going to just run I've got a bit of a rough edge here, so I'm just going to take my bone folder and just smooth the edge out. And I'm going to take my adhesive, and I'm just going to run it along the edge here. And then to make sure it's lined up properly, I'm actually going to line it up with the outside edge. You can see where I've cut this piece off. I'm actually going to line it up with the outside edge of the card, like that, and then just fold this over on top of it, and then that creates the card. So then we're just going to take the Brick and Mortar in the smoky slate that we have embossed, and we are going to center this here. And I'm using one of the die cuts from the kit. And I'm going to just place this kind of halfway across there. And I used the friend in Night of Navy, using the Night of Navy stamp spot and the greeting from the kit. And then I'm just going to layer this on here. And there you go. Quick and simple card that reminds me of the urban element of the baseball diamonds. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more outside the box videos.